Welcome to a new video from Reforesting Project Portugal. Spring is in the air, so it's time to work with seeds. This time Schinus Molle or California pepper tree or Peruvian pepper tree, different names for the same tree. It has pink berries like you see. It is a tree that is around 15 meters high. It can be 50 to 150 years old, has a shallow root system but a very wide one, is very drought resistant, can go till -7 degrees, and you can also make cuttings from it. Seed must be dried first for better germination. 12 months is better than fresh seeds, is my experience. Then remove the seeds from the berries and wash them, making sure you get rid of all the pit. First remove the pink layer, and after that keep them in water for a longer time, that you also can remove the other layers. Here you can see that the pink layer is already gone. And then you have to remove the sticky layer that is underneath the pink one. If you don't do that, the seeds will not germinate. This sticky second layer is really difficult to remove. I tried it with all kind of different methods, for example with sand, rubbing it in sharp sand, leaving it in water for a couple of days. Nothing helped. It's really difficult to remove. If you have tips for a better way, please let me know. They are very welcome. I do it now with a sharp knife. Just scratch the layer off. It's really smelly, it's strong pepper smell and sticky, and it is an awful job to do, but it is necessary. This is how they look when they are complete clean. This amount of seeds took me more than 2 hours to clean. Says enough, I think. Fill a tray with potting soil, tamping it down firmly, and water the soil really good, because they like to have water more than normal seed trays. Put the seeds in and cover them with 1/2 centimeter or 1/4 inch of soil, and water them in and keep the soil damp. They like to have a little bit more water than normal. Then place the pots in a warm place, 18 to 25 Celsius or 75 Fahrenheit, for 1.5 to 6 weeks or longer if it's necessary. It depends on the conditions. Success!